Sioux City is a city in Woodbury and Plymouth counties in the western part of the state of Iowa. The population was 82,684 in the 2010 census, which makes it the fourth largest city in Iowa. The bulk of the city is in Woodbury County, of which it is the county seat, though a small portion is in Plymouth County. Sioux City is the primary city of the five-county Sioux City, Iowa-SD Metropolitan Statistical Area, with a population of 168,825 in 2010 and a slight increase to an estimated 168,921 in 2012. The Sioux City of a million, Iowa-SD Combined Statistical Area had a population of 182,675 as of 2010 and has grown to an estimated population of 183,052 as of 2012. Sioux City is at the navigational head of the Missouri River, about 95 miles north of the Omaha-Council Bluffs metropolitan area. Sioux City and the surrounding areas of northwestern Iowa, northeastern Nebraska and southeastern South Dakota are sometimes referred to as Siouxland, especially by the local media. Money recognized Sioux City in its August 2010 issue of Best Places to Live. In 2008 and 2009, the Sioux City Tri-State Metropolitan Area was recognized by Site Selection as the top economic development community in the United States for communities with populations between 50,000 and 200,000 people. In March 2013, Site Selection also recognized Sioux City as the fourth top metro area in the Midwest region behind first place Kansas City, second place Minneapolis-St. Paul and third place Omaha-Council Bluffs. Sioux City was also ranked first in regards to metro populations between 50,000 and 200,000. Forbes placed the Sioux City Metro in the top 15 best small places for businesses and careers, and MSN.com ranked the area the number 2 most livable bargain market. The Daily Beast, an American news reporting website, placed Sioux City on their list of the top 40 drunkest cities in America, with a ranking of 14th. History. Native Americans resided in the Sioux City area for thousands of years. Early French or Spanish fur traders were likely the first people of European descent to visit the area. The first documented U.S. citizens to record their travel through this area were Meriwether Lewis and William Clark during the summer of 1804. Sergeant Charles Floyd, a member of the Lewis and Clark expedition, died here on August 20, 1804, the only death during the 2.5-year expedition. Sioux City was laid out in the winter of 1854-55. In 1891, the Sioux City Elevated Railway was opened and became the third steam-powered elevated rapid transit system in the world, and later the first electric-powered elevated railway in the world after a conversion in 1892. However, the system fell into bankruptcy and closed within a decade. The city gained the nickname Little Chicago during the Prohibition era due to its reputation for being a purveyor of alcoholic beverages. On July 19, 1989, United Airlines Flight 232 crash-landed at Sioux Gateway Airport, killing 111 people. Geography and climate. Geography. Sioux City is located at 42 degree 29 euro squared 53 euro cubed N 96 degree 23 euro squared 45 euro cubed W. Sioux City is at an altitude of 1,135 feet above sea level. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 58.49 square miles, of which 57.35 square miles is land and 1.14 square miles is water. Climate. Typical of Iowa, Sioux City has a humid continental climate, with hot, humid summers, cold, dry winters, and wide temperature extremes. It is part of USDA Hardiness Zone 5A. The normal monthly mean temperature ranges from 20.4 degree Fahrenheit in January to 74.3 degree Fahrenheit in July. On average, there are 25 days that reach 90 degree Fahrenheit or higher, 52 days that do not climb above freezing, and 17 days with a low of 0 degree Fahrenheit or below annually. The average window for freezing temperatures is October 1 through April 26, allowing a growing season of 157 days. Extreme temperatures officially range from a 35 degree Fahrenheit on January 12, 1912 up to 111 degree Fahrenheit on July 4 and 17, 1936 as well as July 11, 1939. The record cold daily maximum is a 22 degree Fahrenheit on February 8, 1899, while, conversely, the record warm daily minimum is 86 degree Fahrenheit on August 18, 1936. Precipitation is greatest in May and June and averages 27.7 in annually, but has ranged from 14.33 in 1976 to 41.10 in 1903. Snowfall averages 34.8 in per season, and has historically ranged from 6.9 in 1895 euro 96 to 65.9 in 1961 euro 62. The average window for measurable snowfall is November 8 through April 7, although snow in October occurs several times per decade. The only measurable snowfall in May on record occurred on May 1, 2013 when 1.4 in fell, followed on the 14th, less than a fortnight later, by a reading of 106 degree Fahrenheit, setting a new all-time May records high, also a 77 degree Fahrenheit rise from the morning of the 12th. Demographics. 2010 Census. As of the census of 2010, there were 82,684 people, 31,571 households, and 20,144 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,441.7 inhabitants per square mile. There were 33,425 housing units at an average density of 582.8 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 80.6% white, 2.9% African American, 2.6% Native American, 2.7% Asian, 0.1% Pacific Islander, 7.4% from other races, and 3.7% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 16.4% of the population. There were 31,571 households of which 34.3% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 44.2% were married couples living together, 13.8% had a female householder with no husband present, 5.9% had a male householder with no wife present, and 36.2% were non-families. 29.4% of all households were made up of individuals and 11.1% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.54 and the average family size was 3.14. The median age in the city was 33.7 years. 26.6% of residents were under the age of 18. 11.4% were between the ages of 18 and 24. 25.6% were from 25 to 44. 24% were from 45 to 64. And 12.4% were 65 years of age or older. The gender makeup of the city was 49.2% male and 50.8% female. 2000 Census. As of the census of 2000, there were 85,013 people, 32,054 households, and 21,091 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,551.3 people per square mile. There were 33,816 housing units at an average density of 617.1 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 85.23% white, 2.41% African American, 1.95% Native American, 2.82% Asian, 0.04% Pacific Islander, 5.27% from other races, and 2.28% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 10.89% of the population. There were 32,054 households of which 33.4% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 49.1% were married couples living together, 12.2% had a female householder with no husband present, and 34.2% were non-families. 27.7% of all households were made up of individuals and 11.3% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. the average household size was 2.57 and the average family size was 3.14. Age spread, 27.1% under the age of 18, 11.0% from 18 to 24, 28.5% from 25 to 44, 20.2% from 45 to 64 and 13.3% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 33 years. For every 100 females there were 95.4 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 92.2 males. The median income for a household in the city was $37,429, and the median income for a family was $45,751. Males had a median income of $31,385 versus $22,470 for females. The per capita income for the city was $18,666. About 7.9% of families and 11.2% of the population were below the poverty line, including 15.0% of those under age 18 and 7.8% of those age 65 or over. Metropolitan area. As of the 2010 census, the Sioux City metropolitan area had 168,825 residents in 5 counties. The population was estimated at 168,921 in 2012. As defined by the Office of Management and Budget, the counties comprising the metropolitan area are Woodbury County, Iowa, Plymouth County, Iowa, Dakota County, Nebraska, Union County, South Dakota, Dixon County, Nebraska. Economy. American Popcorn Company is based in Sioux City. Top employers. Statistics from Sioux City's 2010 Comprehensive Annual Financial Report, Arts and Culture. The Sioux City Public Museum was originally located in a Northside neighborhood of fine Victorian mansions. The portico and gabled stone building was originally the home of the banker, John Park, and was built in 1890. The museum was recently relocated to downtown Sioux City, where it features Native American, pioneer, early Sioux City, and natural history exhibits. The Sioux City Art Center, located downtown, was formed in 1938 as part of the WPA's Support of the Arts. The Art Center supports artists from Iowa and the greater Midwest. Also, the center has a general program of acquisition of work by national and international artists, including important works by Thomas Hart Benton, Salvador Dali, Car Currency the Colwitts, Robert Motherwell, Claes Oldenburg, James Abbott McNeill Whistler, and Grant Wood. The Sergeant Floyd Monument commemorates the burial site of U.S. Army Sergeant Charles Floyd, the only man to die on the Lewis and Clark expedition. It is a National Historic Landmark, with its prominent 100-foot obelisk situated on 23 acres of parkland, high on a river bluff with a view of the Missouri River Valley. Chris Larson Park, informally known as the Riverfront, is the launching point for the Riverboat Casino and includes the Anderson Dance Pavilion, the Sergeant Floyd Riverboat Museum and the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center, opened in 2004. Missouri River development began in 2005 with the opening of the Malatime Marina area, which includes Bev's on the River, an upscale restaurant. Milwaukee Railroad Shop is a 31.5-acre facility that is being renovated by the Siouxland Historical Railroad Association. It includes a 4-6-2 Pacific-type steam locomotive Great Northern 1355, a model railroad exhibit, as well as multiple buildings including the roundhouse that are open to the public. Grandview Park is located north of the downtown area, up from Rose Hill, between the North Side and the Heights. The Municipal Bandshell is located in the park with Sunday evening municipal band concerts. The Saturday in the Park Music Festival began in 1991 and is held there annually on a weekend close to the 4th of July holiday. Behind the bandshell is a rose garden with an arbor and trellises which has been a site for outdoor weddings, prom and other special occasion photographs, and for children to play during the Sunday evening band concerts and other events. Downtown is also home to the largest historic theater in Iowa, the Orpheum Theater. Neighborhoods, commercial districts, and suburbs. City neighborhoods. Nearby communities, Elk Point, South Dakota is 15 miles north of Sioux City off of Interstate 29 with a population of 1,963 as of 2010. Dakota City, Nebraska is just south of South Sioux City with a population of 1,919 as of 2010. It is the county seat of Dakota County. Dakota Dunes, South Dakota is an unincorporated master-planned community just west of Sioux City in the extreme southeast corner of South Dakota with a population of 2,554 as of 2011. Construction began circa 1989. Upscale homes, suburban-style office parks, and a country club golf course designed by Arnold Palmer characterized this area. Hinton, Iowa is 6 miles north of Sioux City on Highway 75 with a population of 928 as of 2010. Lawton, Iowa is 8 miles on Highway 20 with a population of 908 as of 2010. Le Mars, Iowa is 20 miles north of Sioux City off of Highway 75 with a population of 9,826 as of 2010. Jefferson, South Dakota is 9 miles north of Sioux City off of Interstate 29 with a population of 547 as of 2010. North Sioux City, South Dakota is just across the Big Sioux River in Union County with a population of 2,575 as of 2010. Sergeant Bluff is a mainly residential suburb adjacent to the southern city limits of Sioux City with a population of 4,227 as of 2010. And is less than a mile east of the Sioux City Airport. South Sioux City, Nebraska is directly across the Missouri River in Dakota County. With nearly 13,353 residents as of 2010, it is the largest suburb of Sioux City. It was an All-America city in 2003. Two Bridges Euro The Veterans Memorial Bridge and the Interstate 129 Bridge Euro connect Sioux City with South Sioux City. Vermilion, South Dakota is home to the University of South Dakota, a Division I university located 33 miles northwest of Sioux City with a population of 10,571 as of 2010. Parks and Recreation. Stone State Park is in the northwest corner of the city, overlooking the South Dakota-Iowa border. Stone Park is near the northernmost extent of the Loess Hills, and is at the transition from clay bluffs and prairie to sedimentary rock hills and bare oak forest along the Iowa side of the Big Sioux River. The park is used by picnickers, day hikers, and for mountain biking. Dorothy Picourt Nature Center is a destination nature preserve for Woodbury County, and is located within the boundaries of Stone State Park. The Butterfly Garden is unique to the area. Wild turkeys and white-tailed deer are commonly sighted from the well-marked trails. Downtown entertainment venues include the casino, the 10,000-seat Tyson Event Center/Gateway Arena, Sioux City Orpheum Theater, Promenade Cinema 14, Martin Ballroom, Galaxy Ballroom at Bellevue and the Anderson Dance Pavilion which overlooks the Missouri River. Pulaski Park is named for the Polish General Kazimierz Pulaski, who fought in the American Revolution. This park features baseball diamond facilities, and is located in western Morningside along Old U.S. Highway 75. It is largely built on the filled lake bed of Half Moon Lake, which was originally created in the 1890s by the excavation of filled dirt to build the approaches for the Iron Railroad Bridge spanning the Missouri near the stockyards. The neighborhood on the bluff overlooking the park was historically settled by Lithuanian and Polish immigrants, many of whom worked in the meat-packing industry during the early 20th century. Latham Park is located in a residential area of Morningside, and is the only privately owned and maintained open to the public park within the city limits. It was left in trust in 1937 under the terms of Clara Latham's will. Her family had built the house on 1 acre of ground in 1915. The house and grounds are currently being restored by the Friends of Latham Park. First Bride's grave is tucked in a corner pocket of South Ravine Park, lies a series of paths, trails, and steps leading to the grave of the first bride of Sioux City, Rosalie Menard. She was the first bride of a non-Native American to be wed in Sioux City, Iowa, thus receiving her title. War Eagle Park is named for the Yankton Sioux chief Wamdeoksis who befriended early settlers. A monument overlooks the confluence of the Big Sioux and Missouri rivers. The sculpture represents the chief in his role as a leader and peacemaker, wearing the eagle feather bonnet and holding the peace pipe. Riverside Park is located on the banks of the Big Sioux River. One of the oldest recreational areas of the city, it is home to the Sioux City Boat Club and Sioux City Community Theater. The park is on land that once belonged to the first white settler in the area, Thar copywriter Phile Bruguiere. His original cabin is preserved in the park. Bacon Creek Park is located northeast of Morningside and features a scenic walking trail, dog park, picnic shelters, and playground equipment. Golf courses, city parks, and aquatics. Sioux City is also home to several municipal public golf courses, including Floyd Park in Morningside, Green Valley near the Southern Hills, Sun Valley on the northern west side, and Hidden Acres in nearby Plymouth County. Sioux City also has a number of private golf clubs, including Sioux City Country Club, and Whispering Creek Golf Club. The city has over 1,132 acres of public parkland located at 53 locations, including the riverfront and many miles of recreation trails. 5 public swimming pools aquatic centers are located within Sioux City neighborhoods. Education, public schools. The Sioux City Community School District serves 13,480 students living in Sioux City. There are 3 public high schools: West High School, North High School, East High School, 3 public middle schools, West Middle, North Middle, and East Middle, and 19 elementary schools. Because of sprawl, districts around Sioux City continue to grow at dramatic rates. South Sioux City, Hinton, North Sioux City, Lawton, Bronson, Elk Point, Jefferson, Vermilion, La Marz, Hamerden, Akron, Westfield, Ponca, Sergeant Bluff, Wayne, Sioux Center, along with other school districts that serve many metro area students. Private schools. Bishop Hoelen Catholic Schools is a centralized private Catholic school system that includes 6 schools. They teach preschool through 12th grade. Siouxland Community Christian School educates grades K-12. Advanced education. Sioux City is home to Briar Cliff University, Morningside College, Western Iowa Tech Community College, St. Luke's College of Nursing, Bellevue University Outreach Center and the Tri-State Graduate Center. Media, television stations, KTIV, Channel 4, NBC affiliate CW affiliate MeTV affiliate, KCAU-TV, Channel 9, ABC affiliate, KMEG, Channel 14, CBS affiliate Azteca affiliate, KSIN, Channel 27, PBS member station, KPTH, Channel 44, Fox affiliate MyNetwork TV affiliate, radio stations, FM stations, K-Love, 88.9, plays commercial-free contemporary Christian music. Also can be picked up on 107.5 out of Castana, Iowa. KMSC, 92.9, operated by Morningside College, KWIT, 90.3, public radio, operated by Western Iowa Tech Community College, KGLI, 95.5, KG95, adult contemporary. Previously played Top 40. Signed on in 1983, KSEZ, 97.9, Z98 a Euro plays rock music. Previously Top 40 station Rock 98 in the 1980s, KKMA, 99.5, Cool 99.5 a Euro plays classic hits. Formerly Adult Contemporary Magic 99. Call letters were KZZL in the early 1980s as an easy listening format, home of Iowa State Cyclones athletics, KKYY, 101.3, Y101.3, country music. The newest FM signal in the market, KQNU, 102.3, an adult hit station. It has been under the names Star, Bob, Jack, and New 102.3. KTFC, 103.3, religious radio station, WNAX, 104.1, country. Broadcasts from Yankton, South Dakota. Low-power translator K283AG broadcasts at 104.5 fathoms in Sioux City, but both frequencies are audible in Sioux City. Previously oldies classic hits KCLH. was top 40 KQHUQ 104 in 1990. KSUX, 105.7, The Super Pig, KSU 105.7. Has played country music since the signal went on air in the fall of 1990. KSFT-FM, 107.1, 107.1 KISS FM, top 40 station as of March 13, 2006. Previously played adult contemporary. Signed on in the mid-1990s. KFHC-FM Catholic radio station featuring John Lillis and shows by EWTN, AM stations, WNAX, 570, Talk Radio and Farm News from Yankton, South Dakota, KMNS, 620, Sports Talk Radio. Was previously 62 Country, KSCJ, 1360, Talk Radio. Call letters derived from the Sioux City Journal, which once owned the station, KWSL, 1470, Superior's 1470 KWSL, plays oldies. Is currently broadcasting Spanish-language music under the La Preciosa branding, print, Sioux City Journal, daily newspaper serving Greater Sioux City area, including Iowa, Nebraska and South Dakota. Dakota County Star, weekly newspaper serving Northeast Nebraska. Sioux City Hispanos Unidos, bi-weekly Spanish readers paper. The Weekender, weekly arts and entertainment magazine serving the Sioux City metro area east into western Iowa and north to the South Dakota border. Siouxland Magazine, quarterly magazine with community lifestyle features. Sports. The Sioux City Bandits are an indoor arena football team that plays for the Champions Professional Indoor Football League. The Bandits play their home games at the Tyson Event Center. The Sioux City Explorers are an independent baseball team playing in the American Association. The Explorers play their home games at Lewis and Clark Park. They have been to the league playoffs 4 times. The Sioux City Musketeers are a junior hockey team based in Sioux City. They play in the United States Hockey League. They play their home games at the Tyson Event Center. Their first year of hockey was in 1972. The Musketeers have won the Gold Cup in the 1985-1986 season, the National Runner-Up twice, the Anderson Cup twice, the Clark Cup 3 times, and were the West Division playoff champions for the 2004 May season. The Sioux City Roller Dames are a non-profit roller derby corporation. The Roller Dames play all home games at the Longlines Family Recreation Center. The Dames hosted their first tournament in November 2008. In the late 19th century, the Sioux City Cornhuskers played baseball in the Western League. After a 5-year stint in St. Paul, Minnesota, the league changed its name to the American League, and the team moved to Chicago, where it continues today as the Chicago White Sox. Transportation, highways. Interstate 29 is a major controlled access highway in Sioux City and the surrounding area, providing easy access of the 20-mile stretch covering Sioux City and the majority of its suburbs. It approaches the city from Omaha to the south before curving northwest along the Missouri River near downtown. The highway then enters South Dakota and curves back to the north as it approaches Sioux Falls. Interstate 129 is an auxiliary interstate that connects South Sioux City, Nebraska to the south side of Sioux City and works as a bypass for travelers to other surrounding suburbs. Interstate 129 also interconnects with U.S. Route 75, which is in expansion to expressway form connecting Sioux City to Worthington, Minnesota. U.S. Route 20, the longest road in the United States spanning 3,365 mi, is also in the works of expanding from a 2-lane highway to 4 lanes from Sioux City to Dubuque, Iowa, which will provide faster and easier access comparable to Interstate 80 in Iowa. Public transportation. Sioux City Transit, the local public transit organization, operates several bus lines within the city. Buses transfer downtown in the Martin Luther King Jr. Transportation Center at 505 Nebraska Street. The Sioux City Paratransit serves members of the community who would otherwise not be able to travel by providing door-to-door service. Air travel. The city is served by Sioux Gateway Airport 6 to its south, where American Airlines affiliate American Eagle began service to Chicago in 2012. Charter flights are also available here. Others, Jefferson Lines runs long-distance bus routes to Sioux City. Non-transfer destinations include Winnipeg, Kansas City, Minneapolis, and Omaha. Sioux City also has several private taxi companies that operate within the city. There is no established water or rail passenger transportation in the area. Big Sioux Terminal offers barge transportation. Notable people: John W. Aldridge, born in Sioux City, grew up in Tennessee, literary critic, author, Jimerton, jazz bassist, pianist, vocalist and composer with Billie Holiday, Bill Evans, Anita O'Day. Others: Dave Bancroft, Major League Baseball Hall of Fame shortstop. Nicknamed Beauty, Joe Bissanius, Philadelphia Phillies relief pitcher, graduate of Bishop Howell Catholic High School. Tommy Bolin, born in Sioux City, member of Deep Purple and the James Gang, also had a solo career. Mildred Brown, African-American journalist, worked in Iowa as a teacher before moving to Omaha and founding the Omaha Star. McDonald Carey, actor. The longtime patriarch on Days of Our Lives, Matt Chatham, born in Newton, Iowa, graduate of North High School. New York Jets linebacker, Ron Clements, Disney animator, co-director of The Little Mermaid, Aladdin and the Princess and the Frog. Vern Clark, former Chief of Naval Operations in the United States Navy. Dave Croston, former NFL player for Green Bay Packers. Colonel George E. Butt Day, U.S. Air Force, Vietnam POW, recipient of the Medal of Honor. The United States' most highly decorated officer since General Douglas MacArthur. Sioux City's airport is named Colonel Bud Day Field in his honor, as is 6th Street. W. Edwards Deming, born in Sioux City but raised in Polk City. Quality control expert, helped improve Japan's quality control. Sharon Farrell actress. Tommy Lee Farmer, professional criminal. First person in the U.S. convicted under the Three Strikes Law. Bruce Forbes, author, professor of religious studies. Morningside College relationship to Sioux City. For Today, a Christian metal band signed to Razor and Tie Records. Esther and Pauline Friedman, better known as Ann Landers and Abigail Van Buren, respectively. Advice columnists. Both born in Sioux City and graduates of Central High School. Peggy Gilbert, jazz saxophonist and band leader. Dan Goldie, tennis player, winner of 2 ATP singles titles. Fred Grandy, television actor who played Gopher Smith on The Love Boat. Later became a U.S. congressman, CEO of Goodwill, and a radio personality for WMAL in Washington, D.C. Dick Green, raised in Rapid City, South Dakota, former MLB second baseman with the Kansas City and Oakland Athletics. Marcus Hahnemann, goalkeeper for the United States men's national soccer team. William L. Harding, born in Sibley, the 22nd governor of Iowa, 1917–1921. Jules Harlow, conservative Jewish rabbi and liturgist. Matthew C. Harrison, 13th president of the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod. Tim Hofe, jazz bassist, performed with Herbie Hancock, Wayne Shorter, Bruce Forman. Others: Kirk Hinrich. Professional basketball player, J.B.E. Hittle, author and historian. Noah Holcomb, professional cyclist. Harry Hopkins, Secretary of Commerce, moved to Council Bluffs shortly after birth, advisor to FDR during World War II. Brian Casson, jazz trumpeter. Judy Kimball, LPGA champion golfer, member of Iowa Sports Hall of Fame. George Corville, 1913–2006, Soviet atomic spy and only Soviet agent to infiltrate the Manhattan Project. 3. Al McIntosh, born in Park River, North Dakota, newspaper editor whose columns are featured in Ken Burns' The War. Jerry Mathers, actor, played Beaver Cleaver on TV's Leave It to Beaver. Daniel Matasek, lead singer and guitarist for the Valles, graduate of Central High School. John Meltra, United States Senator from Montana from 1977 to 1989. Big Miller, jazz and blues singer and double bassist. Marshall F. Moore, 7th Governor of Washington Territory. John Moshe, jazz bassist, composer, with Couch Jada, Brew Moore, Earl Hines, Tennessee. Ernie Ford, John Osborne, tenor. Lori Petty, born in Chattanooga, Tennessee, actress best known for her starring role in A League of Their Own. Frances Rafferty, MGM actress of the 1940s and early TV star best known for the sitcom December Bride. Max Rafferty, brother of Frances Rafferty. California State Superintendent of Public Instruction from 1963 to 1971, was reared in Sioux City. Anne Royer, painter, sculptor. Lawrence Shull, All-American football player killed in France during World War I. Edward J. Sperling, born in Slutsk, Belarus, Jewish writer and humorist. Paul Splittoff, born in Evansville, Indiana, former Major League Baseball pitcher, attended college in Sioux City. Morgan Taylor, athlete, set 400-meter hurdles Olympic record while winning gold medal in 1924, also NCAA champion, 1928 and 1932 Olympic bronze medalist. Morgan Thomas, jazz trombonist with Louis Prima Orchestra, recorded prolifically with Prima and Keely Smith in the 1950s and 1960s. Gertrude Van Wagenen, Yale professor, pioneer in reproductive biology, primate research. Ted Waite, co-founder of Gateway, Incorporated. Brian Wansink, Cornell University professor and author of Mindless Eating, Why We Eat More Than We Think. Pierre Watkin, actor in radio, films and TV from 1930s-1950s. Most famously played editor Perry White in the original Superman serials. Tony Watson, current MLB pitcher for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Kathleen Weaver, writer and editor. Don Wengert, MLB pitcher from 1995–2001, Gerald W. Wolfe, retired historian of the American West and Indians. Lived in Sioux City, Sister Cities, Lake Charles, Louisiana, Yamanashi City, Yamanashi Prefecture, Japan. See also, references. External links, city website, Sioux City history, Sioux City 1848–1923. Sioux City and Woodbury County 1890, Sioux City Journal, Sioux City Public Museum, Siouxland.net, History of the Stockyards.